Hi everyone and welcome back to the CADReader Tutorial Series. In Lesson 3, we'll show you how to zoom your drawings and find content quickly and accurately in CADReader. Let's get started. First, let's talk about zooming and moving your drawings. CADReader allows you to move around and zoom in your DWG and DXF files quickly and smoothly. To move your drawing, simply hold down the left mouse button and drag. To zoom in or out, just roll the mouse wheel. It's fast and intuitive. If you want to view the entire drawing at once, click Zoom in the toolbar and select Zoom All. This instantly fits the full drawing to your screen. And if you only want to focus on the specific area, choose Zoom Window, then draw a window around the area you want to inspect, and CADReader will zoom right into it. As projects grow, CAD drawings get crowded. CADReader's text search helps you find what you need fast. Next, I'll show you how to use this feature in different scenarios. First, you can press Ctrl F or click Find in the toolbar. Here, you can put the text you want to search across the entire drawing. Once you click Find, all matching results will be highlighted with red flags, making them easy to spot and navigate. You can also try precise search. Simply input the exact content you're looking for and tick whole word only as your search option. Click Find, and now you'll see that all the red flagged results exactly match the text you entered. CADReader also supports finding text within specific areas of the drawing. For example, you can search within a rectangle area. Just input the text you want to find, choose whether the search should be precise or not, and then select a rectangular area on the drawing. All matched words within that area will automatically appear as red flags. You can also do the same with the polygon area. Select the polygon tool, draw the area you want to search, type in the text, and click Find. The results will be displayed accordingly inside the selected region. CADReader even supports searching content within comments that you've added to your CAD drawings. For example, if you want to find where you added the word revise, simply input revise and then select comments as your search range. Click Find and you'll see the red flags showing exactly where those comments are located. When you click Finish, the red flags will disappear immediately. And you can also export these results to Excel for future reference or documentation. That's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.